Today we are making a delicious breakfast sandwich using these brioche style hamburger buns. I like to flatten them out like this. My pan is preheated to medium-low. I want to brown these. This makes it delicious. And while those are browning in the pan, I've got some bacon that I cooked yesterday. We're going to heat this up in the microwave. We want this browned as evenly as possible. Looks good. Fantastic. We'll go ahead and put our egg in. Boink! I like to cook the egg to a over medium or maybe over well. And while that egg is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put some mayonnaise on the bread. It's so delicious. Both sides. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. Let that continue to cook. While that's cooking, bring out our melted cheese on bacon. Just pull off. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. All right, looks like our egg is about ready. Beautiful. And I'm going to give this a taste. Delicious. Try it, you'll love it.